A couple of days ago, I got this light dome from Amaran, a 90cm one. And it was such a positive experience, I just would like to share it with you so you can get one if you need one for whatever work you do. We have two zippers, one to open that way and one to open it kind of around like that. And on the inside, you have this light dome packed. And you also get a grid, Amaran Light Dome 90cm, and you also get this Amaran Light Dome 90cm. The difference is that this one is the one you attach at the outer part of the light dome, and the little one, that is the one you attach further into the light dome, and I'm going to show you that later. Here at the end, first we have these protective things that we're just going to take off, and you can throw these ones away if you want to, or you can put them back if you would like to. One thing that I haven't seen on any of these ones that I have before is that you have this little Velcro here that keeps everything together, which is a really nice experience. Just open it like this and you snap it into place. And when it has all snapped into place, this is what you get. A 90cm softbox. And of course we have a balance mount here at the back, so you can attach this one to more or less every kind of light you have, as long as it has a balance mount. So the inner part is of course a lot smaller. It is like this. And it has these attachment points, and on the inside of the light dome you have those attachment points as well. It says that this one should take away about 1.5 stop of light. I'm gonna pair these together with the new, we have it here, that is the Amaran Ray 360C, and I'm gonna make a review about that one in a later video as well, so subscribe if you would like to see that. And here we can just attach this one here on the inside. Like that, and of course this one itself is diffusing the light quite a bit. And now we're just gonna attach the outer part. And this one has the Velcro here on the inside, and this is actually kind of a non-stick Velcro, so it doesn't attach to things it's not supposed to attach to. And I recommend to attach this one quite far in, because that way I can attach my grid. If you attach this one too far out in this Velcro piece, like here, then you won't be able to touch your grid. And this is something that you probably will attach just once, and then after that you're just going to collapse the entire light dome, and then it's there. So do this really well the first time you do it, because then you don't really need to bother to do it later. I'm just going to fix this, and then I'm going to show you how to attach the grid. Like that, and as you can see, it's so much easier to do it when you have the light dome laying on its back like that. So now we're just going to attach the grid, and the grid is there so we don't get the light spill to the side. So we get the light just where we would like to have it, straightforward. If you like the light to spread more to the sides, then you're not going to attach the grid. If you like the light to just go where you want it to go, straightforward, then you're going to attach the grid. And as you can see, this grid is kind of wide, so it's important to put this diffuser kind of far back into the light dome, otherwise you won't have any space to put this. So now with the grid attached as well, we are ready to use it. And as you can see, if I angle it like this, it's going to be only black, which means that no light is going to spill on the outside. Here we're going to have a little bit spill, but most of the light is going to go just straight forward. And then when it's time to collapse this thing, the only thing you do is that you take these two and you just put them together. And it goes super quick to collapse this entire light dome. And after it's collapsed, you're just gonna leave that here. I just usually push it in a little bit. And then we have this Velcro here so we can wrap that around. And now in the video over here, I'm gonna show you how to use zebras on your camera. And at the bottom here, that's where I'm gonna show you the review of the Amaran Ray 360C whenever that video is made. All until then, we're gonna have the video that YouTube recommend you to watch at the bottom here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.